Rainbow, let me tell you, I need help.
My daughter is in anxiety and pain.
I know I need work hard. I know I need to improve myself. But I just can't not do it.
I just don't know what to do anymore.
I'm experiencing being bullied by my classmates. But I don't want to tell others. The future seems so dark. And the present isn't any good to begin with. Help. My parents told me that alcohol can take a serious toll on a teenager's developing brain. But I cannot quit. I don't know what I can do. And I am not finding anything interesting.
I have a serious depression. But I don't want to tell others.
I know what are the dangers from using drugs. But I'm addicted.
My classmates laughed at my obesity. I was very upset. I have so much pressure to get into a good college.
My parents taught me how about the dangers of being exposed to violent images and monitor my mental state. But I'm struggling now, how to face judgment, shame, and blame from others. My mom has unintentionally made me afraid of everything and everyone as well. I've improved over the years, but my anxiety is still present. I'm 16-year-old, dealing in drug and gang activity. How can I build a closer relationship with my parents?
I cannot overcome when my kids said, "I hate you, Mom."
My son is 18, and I am constantly confronted with the challenge of letting go.
Giving a kid freedom as a teenager is key, but I just don't know how.
My kids drive me nuts.
It's so hard to control my kids playing video games.
I don't want to yelling at my kids when they make a mistake. But I do.
I know my kids picking up some bad habits from me, but I cannot change myself.
Changing your child's behavior patterns requires determination. But I need help.
I talk too much when I talk to my daughter.
I should learn how to get myself to shut up.
Help me to understand my kids' peer pressure.
Help me to build a strong, positive relationship with my kids.
I lost my beloved father 3 years ago. And I still have so much pain.
I lost my loved one 3 years ago. I cannot move on.
I am struggling with depression.
I am a very hopeless mother of 5 kids. I am currently involved in a very acrimonious divorce.
Hold me so I'm not falling apart.
I am lonely in my marriage.
I'm tired of fighting with my boyfriend. How can I get along with a difficult daughter-in-law?
I am not proud of this by any means, but I am currently 21 and I have no idea how to do just about anything because of my parents.
I need to heal from all the mistake of the past.
I have just been let go from my job 1 week ago.
I need wisdom and direction for my life.
I understand. But just remember that today is a new day.